Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have my November Ice Cream Beauty. I'm excited about this box, y'all. It's a great box, so let's open it. I did cut it open and let me see what's inside. When I open it up, this is what I see. I'll give you a quick look. I don't think I saw, any of the spoilers. So interesting what I'm seeing in there. They do send a little card. This says November, thank you, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. It says, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your support, Ice Cream Beauty team. So that is adorable. It's cute. It's got all your Thanksgiving food on there. Very, very cute. And what it does is it tells you what's in the box, and then it tells you the value of each item. So there are this packing material. This you can melt these in water, and it will dissipate. The box is $25, free shipping. They also have a bag that's $12.50, and the shipping I've heard is about $4-ish. It might depend on where you live. I'm not sure. So let's see what's in here. I do know that you are. They do say that you'll get a palette with every box. So this is beautiful, but I don't know what it is. So let me show it to you, and then it's a high shine silver. Come through flawless makeup set SPF 15. Apply the fine mist to the face to set makeup. Oh wow, it's a spray. And it's okay, let's see. This is called, what brand is this? Joyce Benelli Cosmetics. It's very beautiful. Let me take it out of this packaging, if I can find my little, that has little tabs on it to cut it. I mean that I have to cut. Whoops, I cut the package, of course. Of course I cut the package. Okay, anyway, it's a plastic package, and I don't usually use setting sprays. This is just beautiful, though, just to sit out on your makeup table or wherever you put your makeup on. So it's very beautiful, very, very pretty. And Joyce, what I said was Joyce Benelli Cosmetics. It's valued at $25. The nice thing about it is, besides being the setting spray, it has an SPF in it. So I don't know that too many setting sprays have SPFs in them. So that is really very nice and beautiful. Okay, and next, ooh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, I have seen this before. This is Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss for $21. Now, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, the color, it looks orangey. I'm not a real orange person, y'all, but it's gorgeous. And it's a lip gloss, so it's probably gonna have a doe foot. Look at that beautiful packaging. I'm gonna keep that for a giveaway because it's just absolutely stunning. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. I love it. I may try it. A lip gloss, it may not come out orange. We'll see. I may try it, but I just think it's stunning. $21 value. All right, next we have this beautiful little package here. Everything is so shiny and gorgeous, like New Year's Eve instead of November. This would be a good December, January box. This is called Beached Blush, Beau Babe Beauty, and it is valued at $25, and it also has the little stickers on it that have to be cut. And this is cardboard, so I did not damage it. Let's see what it looks like in there. Did I say it's valued at $25? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Gold. And let's open it and see what it looks like inside. I am challenged by that. Oh, no, that was easy to open, actually. There's a mirror on one side, and then look at how pretty that is. That's a beautiful blush. I think that's a color that a lot of people can wear. Very, very pretty and gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I'm telling you, everything has been absolutely stunning so far. And then we have this, which is also gorgeous. Goodness sakes, everything in here is pretty. Look at that brush, y'all. Look at how beautifully it's packaged. This is Cheeky Rose, Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush for $36. This is a really cool little container. It opens like this, And look at how pretty that is. It matches the blush container. Cheeky Rose Beauty. And it's a really nice, very fine, tight head. Very, very soft. That is stunning. Fancy schmancy. What's going on with all this fancy schmancy going on? But that is beautiful. And then, then we have this. And Lash Step, it says, matte about you. Matte, M-A-T-T-E, 12 universal matte shades that are perfect for every day or night. Look at this packaging. This is really cool. It is in this Ziploc bag. I think this is, let me see if I can open it without, oh yeah, maybe I can get it out without, because you could tear it if you wanted to. But this is really pretty too. This is like a white leathery look to it. Lash Step. And it's got that silver all around it. It's just beautiful. All right, let me open it. Everything is gorgeous in here. This one is valued at $45. Oh, wow, it's really, really pretty, y'all. There's a mirror on one side, and this is beautiful. Look at how pretty those colors are. This is a fabulous neutral palette. Very, very beautiful shades. Well, I cannot get over all this. Let's see, I've got 70, 106, 127, and 25. Is it 152? 152? The value of all of this? Something like that. Anyway, we have this gorgeous brush. We have this gorgeous palette. We have this gorgeous, everything is gorgeous. We have this gorgeous blush. I'll take pictures and put it on Instagram if you'd like to see. We have, if I can take pictures, all this shine, I don't know that it'll show up. We have this beautiful SPF spray, and this is just gorgeous. I'm just taken by this, how pretty everything is. You know, think about this during the holidays, taking that out of your purse after the, you know, you've eaten at the restaurant, now you've got to fix your face a little bit. People would be like, ooh, what is that? Yes, what is that? It's gorgeous. That is my Eyescream Beauty Box, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by to see it. It's just gorgeous. And I will take pictures, like I said, and show you on Instagram. And thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.